I am impressed with this humidifier. It is working so well for my family home. It covers such a large area that I really think it's doing its job in purifying the air. We're getting into those drier winter months, and my kids have already complained about having dry skin and scratchy throats, and within the last week I can say I have not heard a complaint since I started this thing. It's so easy to fill, it's so easy to clean. It actually has a really great filter in it that's going to filter out any of those impurities. All in all, I think a humidifier is a great addition for any home if you need to get rid of germs, purify your air, just have a better sleep quality. It does wonders for your family and your environment.